Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to send simple email using a Springboard. Let me quickly create one Springboard application. So I just type here a Spring Starter. So just clicking on that Spring and slash there. Here I will choose as a project as a Maven and language is Java and Spring Boot as a default and project group as a code with Sora and artifact I will keep email demo sender. So as a package name, I will keep as a default package name and packaging as a jar and Java I will keep as a default as a 17 and and we need to add one dependency. Let me call Java mail sender, and after that I'm going to click on that generate to generate my project. So I generated my project, so I need to open that folder. Now I'm going to right click on that project zip file, and after that I'm going to extract all, and here we need to choose with that destination location. So I will keep destination location as a desktop. So I just select here desktop and you can see here desktop and then click on that select project. Then I'm going to click on that extract to extract my project. Once you extract, then open the IDE. So I will open the STS. If you are comfortable with that IntelliJ IDEA or NetBeans or Eclipse, so you can go with as well. So here, just click on that file menu and after that click on that import option and then click on that existing Maven project under Maven existing Maven project, then click on that next and here we need to choose my project. So here click on that pros and then going to select my project. So this is my project email demo center and then select project, then just click on that finish. Once all the dependency are installed, then go to the source package and main Java com and code with Saurabh and email demo sender and here we need to create one class. So I will create a class for the email service. So just click on the right click on that my base package email demo sender and just click on that new, then click on that other and then I will click on that I clicked on that Java class. Here we need to keep the class name. So I will keep my class name as a email service. So I give that email service. This is my service class. So just click on the finish. So in this class, we need to auto wire with that service. So I will use with that service annotation. So I imported the service annotation. So in this class, we need to create one method to send the email. So just clicking just clicking here for send email, and in the send email method, we need to pass with that parameter as a to email subject, and another is that body. So just typing here string to email is sorry string, and here is string subject, and another parameter is that body. So typing here is string body. So in this body, we need to create one object of that simple mail message. So I'm going to create here simple mail message, and just giving the reference name as a message to simple mail message. So after that, we need to import that class. So I'm just importing the class simple mail message. Now we need to set that message dot set to, and in this sorry set to here we will pass as a parameter as a to email, and after that message dot set subject, and here I will pass I'm just passing in that subject, and then message dot set text, and this text I'm going to pass with that body. So it's completed. After that I need to write that message to saw that console. After that sending the mail. So I'm going to do with that sys statement, and here I will write that email sent successfully. So now it's completed. Then I refresh my base package to saw here that email service, or you can see here this is that base package email demo sender, and here is email service, and no, this is the main class. So in this main class, we need to use with that email service. So we need to auto wire the email service. So here using that auto wire email service, email service. Yeah. So I auto-wire. So one more thing, in this class, we need to call with that call the method of that send email inside that my main class email demo sender application. So here we need to write one method. So I'm just going to write here public void, and I will keep it method name send mail. So after that send mail, I will I will annotate with that event listener. So that time we will call so event In event listener, we need to pass with that class of that application ready event. So I'm just writing here application ready event dot class. So now in this send mail method, so we need to call with that send email method. So just using with that email service. So just writing here email service dot send email. In this send email method, we need to pass with that parameter to email. So I'm just writing my email ID Saurav 93289 at the rate gmail. And second one parameter is a subject parameter. So I will keep on that test email. And third one parameter is that I will keep as a body. This is a test. This is test email body. After that, I just configured. I just use that. I just created that send email and annotated with that event listener. And inside event listener, I pass with that application ready event dot class. So it will send email. It will call inside the send email method. It will call send email, and in the send email we are passing with that three parameter. First parameter to email, and second one is the subject parameter. So as a subject, I keep as a test email, and third one parameter is the body. So just write here this is a test email body, and after that we need to configure with that application dot property class application dot property file. So in this application dot property file, we need to write with that email property. So just writing here a string dot mail dot a string dot mail dot host is smtp dot gmail dot com. So after that, I need to write here string dot mail dot port is 587. Then we need to configure with that username. So just write here string dot mail dot username, and username we need to pass with that my mail ID. So I just writing here Saurav 93289 at the rate gmail.com, and we need to pass with that parameter that means application password. So writing here the string dot mail dot password. I will keep on that password up to the generating my password. So after that, just writing here string dot mail dot property, and after the property, just writing here mail dot uh, a string dot mail dot properties dot mail dot smtp dot auth is true. So now I'm going to copy with that copy up to SMTP. So just copy it here, just paste it here, and SMTP dot starts dot enable. So enable equal to true. So I saved my application dot properties, but we need to pass with that password, it's a Gmail password, the Gmail application password. So I need to open with that my Gmail ID. So this is the Gmail ID. Just I open here. You can see here inbox. So and in right side there is a profile icon, and click on that profile icon. Then you need to click on that manage your Google account. Then here you need to search your app password, and then you need to click on that app passwords. So after clicking that app password, you need to put your Gmail password. So I'm just giving my Gmail password. Then clicking on that next. So application password is open. So here asking for that application name. So I just keep here my application name, email, same application, and just we need to click on that create button. So here you can see here generated application password. So it's password generated. So I'm just going to copy. I just copied my password. So then clicking on that done, and just come application dot property file, and here a string dot mail dot password you need to paste here password. After that you need to remove extra passwords or blank password, blank space here. So then click on that save, save, and now I'm going to run my application. So just click on that refresh, and just click on that right click on that project, and then run as a Spring Boot application. So my application is started. So here you can see that email sent successfully message inside a console. And now I am going to show to you uh, in Gmail it's receiving or not. So let's refresh. Okay, I think mail it not received. So just check here. Okay, okay. Actually here we need to send the method. So we need to use with that Gmail. So here use at the rate, not at the rate auto wire Java mail sender, and just writing here JMS. Then we need to import Java mail sender. Here after that text save text, and here we need to write JMS, that means Java mail sender dot send email. And so actually I just forget that time to send that message, to call that same message, same method. Now after that calling the same method, we I am going to call again a spring run a spring boot application. So email send successfully getting it again, and here you can see test email. This is that test email is the subject, and this is the body. This is the test email body, and this is the to email. So so now it's completed. Thank you.